Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from HighLevel. I apologize. I have been traveling, but the team is on a tear, and I am going to catch up, I promise. But there are some amazing releases, starting with SEO for AI Studio. So first up, if you didn't know that we have AI Studio out, go check it out. It is basically the ability to vibe code up websites and apps and all kinds of great stuff, and you can publish them directly and all that stuff. But if you look out in the world at some of the other folks that have this style feature, one of the biggest issues you are going to find is it does not have the ability to SEO easily, and our team has solved this. And really the big thing that happens with all these other folks is that when you go to the website, basically JavaScript loads in the background and puts all the content on the page, and that's lovely. But what happens is with all kinds of web spiders and people, search engines that read stuff, sometimes they won't get all the JavaScript, won't get all the content, and as a result, you won't get a great SEO score. Well, what we're doing here is we're pre-rendering this for the bot. So specifically when a bot comes, it's going to get pre-rendered content, which basically means it's going to get all the stuff on the page that you intended to get, so the SEO scores are going to be radically higher. There's all kinds of details here we can dig in on, and that's awesome. But just so you know, settings, you can go in here and you can actually turn this on. Underneath, you can see there's domains, obviously, there's SEO, and literally all you have to do is just slide that thing over and bam, it's on. It'll automatically serve up the right content to the search engines when they come along. And then you can see all the cool stuff here that you can do, which is awesome. Whoop. Going back. And of course, you can see right here, this is like a before and after, basically, as far as how the SEO search basically ended up sort of expanding based on this setting being on. Here is all kinds of cool stuff as far as it going in and actually testing for the content. The team did a ton of work here, and so they really have done this right. I encourage you to go through and read all of the copious details here that I'm not going into because there's a lot of them. But when you get a chance, obviously check it out. They've used like the Facebook debugger and the Twitter card validator, all that stuff to double check everything. There will be a release note, there will be help docs on this, but for those of you who want to get an early start, take a look. I'm going to slowly try to scroll through this while I'm while I'm talking. So that way, if you want to pause this video, you can kind of get some of the details on it. But anyways, this is huge because I honestly have seen this problem in almost every Facebook group, every group that is where people are using some third party to build these things. The SEO support is terrible or non-existent. Well, now it is embedded and automatic and available inside HighLevel. So anyways, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Tuesday. I can't wait to get the rest of the videos out for you, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.